Today I've got an exciting list for you. If you're in India and looking to start a low-investment, home-based and handmade business, you're in the right place. Got 30 amazing business ideas that you can start right from your home. Let's dive into these money-making masterpieces. First up, we're talking about jewelry. Who doesn't love a little bling-bling in their life? Whether it's earrings that could rival a chandelier or a simple, elegant necklace, you can create unique pieces using beads, wires, clay, or even metals. And the best part? You can sell these beauties online. Instagram, Etsy, even your local markets. The world is your oyster, my friend. Next up, we're getting all sentimental with customized greeting cards. Forget those generic cards at the store. It's time to get personal. Birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, or even just a random Tuesday, there's always a reason to spread some cheer. Design your own cards, add a personal touch, and watch the orders roll in. Let's be real, who doesn't love a good bar of soap that smells like a tropical vacation? Making your own soap is easier than you think, and you can get all natural and fancy with essential oils, herbs, and organic ingredients. Target those wellness warriors and watch your business boom. Speaking of good smells, let's talk candles. Whether you're creating scented masterpieces or decorative works of art, candles are always a hit. You can even offer customized options for weddings, corporate gifts, or just someone who really, really loves unicorns. Okay, let's get real for a second. We all have that one friend who's impossible to shop for. Well, guess what? Personalized gifts are here to save the day. Engraved photo frames, keychains with their name, or yours, no judgment here, mugs with embarrassing photos, the possibilities are endless. Calling all yarn enthusiasts. If you've got mad skills with a crochet hook or knitting needles, this one's for you. Scarves, blankets, sweaters, even tiny little hats for your cat. Don't judge me, it's adorable. The world needs your creations. Remember that scene in Ghost with the pottery wheel? Yeah, this is your time to shine. Handmade pottery items like cups, vases, and decorative pieces are always in demand. Sell them locally or find your online tribe. The clay is calling. Let's face it, everyone wants their home to look like it came straight out of a magazine. That's where you come in, my friend. Wall hangings, macrame, those little decorative things that make everyone go, ooh la la, unleash your inner interior designer. One person's trash is another person's treasure, am I right? Take those old pieces of furniture or random materials and give them a new lease on life. Planters, side tables, storage solutions. The possibilities are as limitless as my love for Nutella. Who needs boring old notebooks when you can have handmade masterpieces? Journals, scrapbooks, even those cute little notepads that fit in your pocket. The world needs your paper prowess. Plus, you get to be all eco-friendly and stuff, which is always a win. If you've got the magic touch with a needle and thread, then embroidery is your jam. Personalized clothing items, bags, caps, scarves, the possibilities are endless. Plus, you can charge a premium for your mad skills, because handmade is where it's at. A girl can never have too many bags, and that's a fact. Fabric, leather, big, small. Create a variety of designs and watch the orders pour in. From traditional to modern, there's a bag out there with your name on it, or at least your brand name. Channel your inner carpenter and create some wooden magic. Toys, kitchen utensils, small furniture items. If you can dream it, you can build it. Add some custom designs or a splash of paint, and you've got yourself a masterpiece. Ceramics are like blank canvases just begging for your artistic touch. Plates, cups, bowls, the possibilities are endless. People love unique, handcrafted pieces, so get your paint on and let your creativity flow. Who says art has to be expensive? Turn trash into treasure with recycled art. Metal, paper, plastic, the only limit is your imagination. Plus, you'll be saving the planet one masterpiece at a time. Forget those boring old rugs from the store. It's time to weave your magic with handmade rugs and mats. Traditional techniques, contemporary designs, there's a style for every taste. Plus they make your feet happy, and who doesn't love happy feet? Let's be real, everyone deserves a little pampering. That's where your organic bath bombs come in. Essential oils, organic ingredients, and maybe even a little glitter for good measure. Create a spa experience at home. Everyone needs a good tote bag, am I right? But not just any tote bag, a hand-painted masterpiece. Unique patterns, personalized designs. These bags are guaranteed to turn heads. Plus, you'll be saving the planet one reusable bag at a time. You go, Glen Coco. Forget those boring old pens and pencils. It's time to up your stationery game with customized sets, planners, and journals. Add your unique hand-drawn designs and watch the orders fly in faster than my mom trying to catch the latest gossip. Blank walls are so last year. It's time to add some personality with personalized wall art. Paintings, prints, motivational quotes, create custom pieces that reflect your client's unique style. Who needs an interior designer when you've got you? Who says you need a fancy workshop to build furniture? Create small, bespoke pieces like stools, shelves, or side tables using your mad skills and some basic materials. People love unique, handcrafted furniture, so get your build on. Let's be real, everyone loves a good snack. But forget those processed, store-bought options. It's time to unleash your inner chef and create some homemade goodness. Chips, pickles, sweets, the possibilities are endless. Who needs chemicals when you've got nature's finest? Create handmade cosmetics using organic ingredients and watch your business boom. Lip balms, lotions, face masks, scrubs, the possibilities are endless. Plus, you'll be promoting natural beauty, and who doesn't love that? Babies are cute, but let's be real, they're also expensive. Help out your fellow parents by creating adorable and affordable knitted baby items. Clothes, socks, booties, blankets, the possibilities are endless. Plus, you'll be the coolest aunt, uncle, or friend ever. Forget those generic calendars with pictures of random landscapes. It's time to get personal with customized calendars. Family photos, motivational quotes, artwork. The possibilities are endless. Plus, it's a great way for people to show off their unique style. Plastic toys are so last year. It's time to go old school with handmade wooden toys. They're durable, eco-friendly, and way more stylish than anything you'll find at the store. Plus, you'll be encouraging imaginative play, and who doesn't love that? Not everyone is a crafting pro yet, but that doesn't mean they can't enjoy the satisfaction of creating something beautiful. That's where your DIY craft kits come in. Put together all the materials needed for a specific craft, write up some easy-to-follow instructions, and watch the crafting enthusiasts flock to your online store. Harness the power of nature with handmade herbal products. Face oils, creams, hair oils, the possibilities are endless. People are becoming more aware of the chemicals in conventional products, so natural and organic is the way to go. Who needs real flowers when you can have paper blooms that last forever? Create intricate paper flowers for home decor, event decorations, or even just because. Bouquets, garlands, centerpieces, the possibilities are endless. Plus, you'll never have to worry about your flowers wilting. If you've got mad sewing skills, then this one's for you. Create unique quilts, bedspreads, or cushion covers with custom designs or patchwork patterns. People love cozying up with a handmade blanket, so get your sew on. And there you have it, folks. 30 incredible low-investment, home-based, and handmade business ideas you can start in India. Whether you're looking to turn a hobby into a business or start something new, these ideas are perfect for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, keep hustling and stay creative.